Let's check out this article, Hunting for Rocks from Outer Space by Pat Murphy. As I read, I'm going to ask you some questions, so make sure you're listening carefully. Do you want your very own rock from outer space? If you have a strong magnet, you can hunt for space rocks wherever you live. Every day, rocks from outer space rain down all over the Earth. When these space rocks are falling, they are called meteors. After they hit the ground, they get a new name. A fallen meteor is a meteorite. Hundreds of thousands of meteorites fall to Earth every day. You don't see these falling rocks because they are tiny. Most meteorites are smaller than a grain of rice. In fact, most of them are about the size of a speck of dust. These are called micrometeorites. Micro means very small. So a micrometeorite is a very small meteorite. That word micro is an important prefix. So micro means very small. Anytime you see micro in front of something, it means that it's tiny. A magnet makes it easy to search for these itty-bitty space rocks. Most micrometeorites are made of iron. That means they will stick to your magnet. A great spot to look for micrometeorites is in a rain gutter on the edge of a roof. Micrometeorites fall on the roof and rain washes them into the gutter. But climbing up to the roof to look in the rain gutter could be dangerous. Instead of looking in the gutter, you can look in the water that pours out of the gutter. Okay, boys and girls, when they say gutter, they are talking about those metal pieces that go along the edge of your roof. And then it has a spout that comes down, usually along the side of your house, and water pours out of it out of the rain. So that's what they're talking about when they say gutter. To make a trap for meteorites, paint your magnet white. Then leave the magnet where water from the rain gutter will flow over it. After a rainstorm, look for small black specks on your white magnet. Those specks are micrometeorites that the rain washed into your magnetic trap. Some of these meteorite hunters go to distant places in search of space rocks. They search in the world's deserts because dark meteorites show up well against the pale desert sand. But meteors fall all over the Earth, so you don't have to go far to find a space rock to call your own. This picture shows many micrometeorites. These were collected by a French astronomer named Lucien Rudeau. Boys and girls, this is something you could try at home. Now, the magnets I gave you, we're going to use next week, but after that, you're welcome to paint the magnet and put it outside by your gutter. You may want a larger magnet, though, to really be able to catch stuff. But I think this would be really cool to try. If you do, please let me know what happens. I'm kind of curious.